No pipe. But I found these.
Small world.
Yeah, it is.
Take his gag off.
Anyone figures out this was you guys, you know what happens next time you're inside?
You wager how long it takes to kill one of us?
Please. I'm sorry about your friend. I was told to do it. It wasn't my call.
Don't pass the buck, man. That's weak. I want to hear how sorry you are.
I am sorry. God, I'm sorry. Please, I'll do anything you want. Help anyone inside. Please.
I'm still not feeling it.
Are you doing this?
I got this.
Jockey. Jockey.
Come on. Come on.
It's done.